Now we are walking in Tashkent, going to the Chorsu Bazaar, one of the largest markets in Central Asia. Very interesting. And right now I'm again with my German friend who doesn't want to be in the video. It's nice. Day 2 in Tashkent. Lemon tea if you want.
Lime.
Yes. Tea star. More?
Lemon.
And this is the inside of Chorsu Bazaar.
Upstairs, the same stuff, or is it worth going upstairs?
You just look down and see the whole market.
Okay, we go upstairs. Oh yeah, but we
Meat
haven't
market.
gone through this too.
Welcome to the meat market. To be sure, there's a lot of dry fruits around here. Nut diet up by trying different nuts here because it's cheap. Do not hesitate to try. And down below is mostly the meat market. So here there is horse meat, beef, chicken, whatever you want to buy, whichever meat, whichever part, it's available. Outside the Chorsu Bazaar we have the vegetable market.
But what's in the other malls? In the
A lot of fruits around. And this is the fresh vegetables market. This stone is edible. It's salt, black salt. We just walked around the Chorsu Bazaar and more spices. This is a smaller bazaar with a restaurant inside. Gift packets and sugar only for 1,000. These are like crystallized and healthier, and cookies. Cookies are good. This is a place where people make the fresh breads. Look at the fruit size. This is the bakery for different kinds of breads. 16th century building, people. It's a school, Madrasah, rebuilt. Now we are going to the calligraphy studio. Hello. Oh, the garden.
of the yard.
This is the Madrasah from inside. And the school is still operational. There is classroom and teaching happening here. Interesting. We are now at the Hazrati Imom Complex, and this is one of the mosques at the back. There is reconstruction going on, so a lot of things are closed, but we can still enter. Yep, the construction is going on. Yeah. We are at the State Temurid Museum in Tashkent, and it's the history of Amir Temur. I mean, it's more about the ceiling here. It's amazing. Yep. This is Besh Qozon, one of the big pulao restaurants, and look at the massive size of the pan they make. And here's a live making of pulao, I think.